Good morning to all of you. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kriti. I am from Sasaram, Bihar. I have completed my BCA from Sirsa College, Sasaram. Now I am pursuing MCA in Gopal Narayan Singh University. Today my topic is function from Python. First of all, this slide function. A function in Python is a block of reusable code that perform a specific task. Function help make your code modular and readable and reusable. You can define a function using the def keyword, a piece of code written to carry out a specified task. And next slide, advantage of using function. When changes are needed, it's easier to update a specific function rather than modifying multiple places in the code. Second, function allow you to review code multiple times without rewriting it. This reduces redundancy and improve eff- efficiency. Function help break a program into smaller, manageable, and logical pieces. This modular structure make the program easier to understand, develop, and maintain. Function abstract always the detail of implement, allow focus on what the function does rather than how it achieves. And next slide, variable scope variable scope in function. There are three type of variable with the view of scope. First, logical variable, assignable only inside the function block where it is declared. Second, global variable, variable which is accessible among whole program using global keyword. Non-local variable, accessible in nesting of function using keyword. Keyword. Type of function. Library function. They are predefined inbuilt function used as it. User defined function. They are defined user or programmer according to the requirement. And next slide, function definition. A function is defined using the def keyword in Python. Easy program is given below. Def abc bracket semicolon. Print hello abc bracket hashtag function calling hello. The save the above source code in Python file and execute it. Execute it. And next slide, variable scope in Python. Find the output of below program def function xy, argument parameter x and y, global a equal to 10, xy equal to yx, b equal to 20, c equal to 30. Print abxy, abxy equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Function 50, 100. Passing value 50 and 100 in parameter x and y of function bracket. And next slide, local variable def function s equal to I love India, print s equal to I love world, function print s, output I love India, I love world. Global variable def function global s, function bracket print s equal to I love India, print s equal to I love world, function print s, output I love world, I love India. Thank you. This is my PPT in Python.